Hello friends, let's know about text functions like concatenate, left, right and mid function in Microsoft Excel. Concatenate. The concatenate function allows you to combine or concatenate multiple strings of text into a single cell. For example, let's say we have a small data set. We want to combine first name, last name and city into a single cell. Select the cell where you want to combine the text. Type is equal to concatenate, hit tab button, select text 1, comma, select text 2, comma, select text 3, close the bracket and hit enter. That's it. You can see there is no space between the text. If you want to put space between the text, you have to put double quotation between the text, like this. You can also include additional text or symbol within the function by enclosing it in double quotation, like this. Left. The left function is a handy tool that allows you to extract a specified number of characters from the beginning of a text string. For example, let's say you have a list of product codes and you only want to extract the first 3 characters to identify the product category. With the left function is equal to left, hit tab button, select the product code, number of characters. Here we put 3, close the bracket and press enter. That's it. Drag the formula up to end and just like that, you have the first 3 characters extracted and ready for use. Right, and now let's focus on one of the most powerful tools in Excel, the right function. The right function allows you to extract a specified number of characters from the right side of a text string. With the right function is equal to right, hit tab button, select the product code, number of characters. Here we put 3, close the bracket and press enter. That's it. Drag the formula up to end. And just like that, you have the last 3 characters extracted and ready for use. Mid function. Let's say you have a product code consisting of letters and numbers and you want to isolate just the product number. With mid, you can easily specify the starting position of the product number and how many characters it contains. In this example, I want only 3 characters of the product code. For example, C12. Select the cell, type is equal to mid, hit tab button, select the product code, starting number. In this example, the starting position of the product is 3, number of characters. Here we put 3, close the bracket and press enter. That's it. Drag the formula up to end. With mid, the possibilities are endless, from cleaning up messy data to transforming text for analysis. So there you have it, my friends. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your spreadsheet game. Until next time, happy Excelling.